Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. I will not repeat all the intro. I already made just a few minutes ago a video about this crazy move towards the upside, and I told you how much weird there is and how much wrong all of this is happening. Here is just one of the 100k traps that our 100k scenario would like to do to us. Of course, even I did not see that. I did not expect this so much. Of course, it has a probability on my analysis in the morning, but it was like 30, 40, 50%, I think, maximum. Because of course, my signal was very, very strong for a bearish scenario, and here we go, right? It has been totally invalidated. I mean, what is that? It's not acceptable, to be honest, and especially after hitting the 886 and very, very shallow 1-2 here. So something is wrong, guys, with all of this happening here. I think, I don't know, is it some news or some waves just enter with this amount, crazy amount just now? I don't know what happened, guys. However, of course, he lost everything. However, guys, okay, so what we are looking at is definitely a finished diagonal, and we are looking towards the downside, guys. As I said today, there is a very, very strong signal on my indicator, which is very rare to be wrong. Okay, I'm not saying 100%, but very rare to be wrong. So we can see a very, very strong bearish signal, which is the strongest since our wave 4. Here is your daily chart, by the way. And MG asked me, okay, we got this signal. How can we know how much strong it is? First, of course, because you see here it is at 75 candles. If you go back, you see even more bearish here, which were stronger than this bullish signal, which it is here. Because if you go back even more candles until you get your bullish signal, and it is on the 23 even, which is very, very weak in comparison with this new signal. Your signal here is a 75. Your signal as a bullish here is 23. Therefore, of course, the volume of the sellers is much, much higher. We're talking triple times. So if this wave here is your 23, yeah, imagine what the 75, which is triple, is gonna be. All right. So this is how almost I calibrate the things or analyze the things on my indicator. However, of course, in this case, I just use Elliott Waves. Okay. This indicator I have developed it just to confirm my analysis and not to tell me how much and when. Okay. I mean, this is only to confirm my Elliott Wave analysis, because my confirmed Elliott Wave, my analysis says, okay, we are diagonal, and then boom, it gives me the signal. Yes, confirmed, it is a diagonal. Okay, so this is the idea of this development of indicator. Of course, there is no yet indicator that you can just rely on it in trading. You need kind of Elliott Wave, guys. So as we can see, it has been invalidated totally. I mean, what the hell was this? But I mean, of course, it was already an option, right? And it is much nicer to see maybe a bullish. So that, of course, now open other scenarios, guys. Opens other scenarios for us, where we are, of course, finishing here a diagonal, right? And possibly we are already here as, yes, exactly. So we have finished almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By all means, you have 3 waves towards the downside to catch. In this case scenario, if we want to take, it opens even a new scenario, guys, even a triple 1, 2, which is possible. Why not? Right? It can be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Since we had got a higher high. Therefore, of course, our first wave 2, or our first targets, should be, of course, the green box again for a wave 2. For a wave 2, which is, of course, between the 62,300 and let me just add the font. Here we go. 62,180, 60,715. So these are your next targets, guys, in case we are moving down. All right. And now, of course, if we want to look at the 15, yeah, it's, as you said, the 886 has been touched. Therefore, we want to take the low again. Definitely. Once you touch the 886, this is a very powerful tool, by the way. Once you touch this, it means you want to take this price. And taking this price, it means, of course, going lower, guys. And here we go. It's just happening. Yeah, so this is it for now. Let's watch the prices. Your target, your next target, possible target, of course, are the 0.618, 0.78. However, please be careful, because, as I said, this is your triple 1-2. So in case another whale decides to lose his money, so let's watch for here some retracement even. So maybe at the 0.38, maybe at the 0.5. So be careful with it. If you want to trade here, you are short term, guys. You have to trade with TPs, TP1, TP2, TP3, yeah, to be safe in case that you got a reversal. So, of course, no financial advice. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and your comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.